Today I am reviewing the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X6 core. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast looking for a processor that delivers both speed and efficiency, the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X is a powerhouse you should consider. This desktop processor comes with 6 cores and 12 threads, based on AMD's latest Zen 5 architecture, designed to push your system to the next level in gaming, multitasking, and professional workloads. Let's start with gaming performance. The Ryzen 5 9600X is engineered to deliver smooth, high frame rates, easily surpassing 100 frames per second in most of the world's top titles when paired with a capable graphics card. Whether you're into competitive esports games or AAA titles, the combination of 6 cores and 12 threads ensures your processor can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without bottlenecking your system. Streaming your gameplay, running background apps, and still enjoying fluid, lag-free performance has never been easier. When it comes to speed, the Ryzen 5 9600X hits a maximum boost clock of 5.4 GHz, giving you an edge in applications that require peak single-core performance. And since it's unlocked, you have the freedom to overclock and push your CPU even further, tailoring performance to your specific needs. With a 38 MB cache and support for DDR5-5600 memory, you're not just getting raw power. You're getting speed and responsiveness that translates directly to smoother gaming, faster rendering, and quicker data handling. This processor is built for the state-of-the-art socket AM5 platform, which also means it supports PCIe 5.0 on select motherboards. This gives you future-proof connectivity options for next-gen graphics cards and high-speed NVMe storage. Your system won't just perform today, it's ready for tomorrow's tech. Now, a couple of practical notes. The cooler is not included, so pairing it with a high-quality aftermarket cooler is recommended to fully unleash its potential and maintain optimal temperatures, especially if you plan on overclocking. But for enthusiasts, this gives you the flexibility to choose a cooling solution that matches your setup, whether it's air or liquid cooling. Finally, whether you're building a gaming rig, a content creation workstation, or a hybrid PC for productivity and entertainment, the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X offers a fantastic balance of core performance, overclocking potential, and modern connectivity. Its blend of speed, efficiency, and upgrade flexibility makes it an excellent choice for anyone serious about their desktop performance. In summary, the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X 6-core, 12-thread processor isn't just another CPU. It's a versatile powerhouse that can tackle gaming, streaming, content creation, and more, all while giving you the freedom to overclock and optimize. If you want a processor that's fast, modern, and ready for the future, the Ryzen 5 9600X is an investment that will serve your desktop system extremely well.